Welcome back. Thanks for joining us for ABC-7 at 9 on the CW. Well, we saw that rain, but mostly Las Cruces is getting some of that rain right now. But look at Anthony, New Mexico. They saw enough to put some numbers on the map. Not quite as much over New Mexico Farm and Ranch. Sierra Middle School, though, did see 0.01 there. Mesilla Valley Christian Schools, not enough to put some numbers on the map, but we are still tracking those storms, and mainly in the Las Cruces area. Let's take a closer look at what's happening here, though. You can see most of that heavy rain is over near Woodrow, Breen, and Trans Mountain, over on the northeast side of town. Vinton, Anthony, Canotillo, getting some of that light to moderate rain. But if we take things over to Mesilla, right around University Park, you can see some of that heavier rain right before you get to Las Cruces over in Fair Acres. Now taking things up to Radium Springs and Donna Ana. They're getting some of that light to moderate rain that way as well. We're going to continue to track those storms that are starting to develop. Las Cruces, you're going to be seeing those storms throughout the evening tonight, but look at those temperatures. Because of those storms that we are seeing out there, much cooler temperatures. 71 over in Las Cruces with 81 El Paso. We have 79 Tier C, Silver City at 71, 78 Sierra Blanca, and Van Horn at 79. So talking about the temperatures for today, the official high was at 102 here in El Paso, 101 over in Las Cruces. So we saw another triple digit day, which means 37 so far of triple digits. The summer average is 21. The record is 62 back in 1994, so not quite there, but we are above the summer average. For tonight, actually, the isolated showers and thunderstorms will continue, which is why we still have that 20% chance for tonight. Those rain chances continuing by 10 o'clock. You can see those temperatures are going to start to drop down in the upper 70s all the way up until your 12 o'clock hour. As we see those storms pass through, those temperatures could drop down a little bit below that. For tomorrow, take a look at this. Our storm outlook would be scattered storms all across the region, which is why we're leaving that 30% chance for those storms by your lunchtime hour. 90 is what you can expect. Mostly cloudy conditions for tomorrow. Pickup time 97 with that 30% chance still in your forecast. Keep in mind with these storms, those winds can start to pick up as well. And 50% is what we're going to see for Wednesday. Our greatest chance for those storms will be on Thursday at a 60% chance, and then we drop down Friday all the way up until Sunday to a 30% chance, with Monday, the start of your work week, next week at a 20% chance. Now with those rain chances increasing, we see those temperatures decreasing. Look at that. 80s pop up into the forecast by Thursday and Friday, and we're going to see 90 for Saturday. Sunday will be at 85, so those 80s are going to continue throughout your Sunday. Over in Las Cruces, 30% chance for those storms Saturday and Sunday, with those 80s, upper 80s for Saturday, those lower 80s for your Sunday. For tonight, 75 is what we can expect. We're going to continue with that 20% chance for those thunderstorms tonight. For tomorrow, 97 is the expected high. Las Cruces, you can expect 70 for your overnight low. 20% chance increasing to a 30% chance for tomorrow. Those mid-90s in your afternoon forecast. Let's talk about the next few days, because we're going to see those temperatures start to drastically change from 90 to 86 by Thursday. Friday, 89, then we jump right back up into those 90s, lower 90s though. Then 85 is what you can expect for your Sunday and the start of next week at 86. More news coming up. Don't go anywhere. Welcome back to ABC-7 at 9 on the CW. I'm Iris Lopez.
I am Bob Harper. I cannot believe you haven't seen this movie.
I know.
I'm going to sit you down. You cannot leave tonight. I'm going to go.
We're going to watch it.
Yes,
though.
Netflix, something like that. What we're talking about is an R-rated movie in a public place. The Plaza Classic Film Festival showing some movies this week at the San Jacinto Plaza downtown. But one this past Saturday caught the eye of one man who took his family to the Chihuahuas game. And I'm going to spare you my singing of this because I love the movie.
You were singing it before you got
I was. Pennsylvania. And if you've seen the movie, you love. I know, sorry. Yeah, I could have gone on. Now, the movie was Rocky Horror Picture Show, of course. This is the video from the movie Saturday night. And the complaint was that those walking home from the game, including children, could see the movie from the sidewalk.
Well, I think the park should be accessible for people of all ages to use. So if there's a movie being played that's not appropriate for kids of a certain age or might be offensive to certain people, I think it's probably not appropriate.
Well, what do you think? Let this video play, in case you haven't seen it. So, that was the main character, Susan Sarandon, by the way.
I saw that. I was like, oh, she was in it.
That was? Yeah.
Susan Sarandon could never do wrong.
I know, right? I mean, Dead Man Walking with Sean Penn. I mean, just to show her range. Okay, what do you think? We posted the story on our Facebook page. We got a lot of comments. If you are in support of the person who contacted us complaining, you are very few. There are very few of you out there. Almost everybody was saying get over it. All right, let's get to some of the comments right now on our Facebook page tonight.
Carla saying, was there no other route to take to not walk so close by? The adults in the family need to be mature just like that. Yeah.
And Padilla, Belinda saying, get over it. No one told you to watch, just keep walking.
Irma, thousands of people attend each year, so what is it, a family or two complaining? Ignore them. They're probably in denial as to what their children are watching on TV, computers, and video games. Ouch, Irma.
Mike, people just like to complain. That's the real problem.
Or what about Mary? Oh, for God's sake, it's a classic movie that everyone loves. Of course, it's not nearly as racy as what kids watch today. Listen up a little, folks.
And Veronica saying, there really isn't anything in that movie that is so offensive to complain. Get over it. Shaking my head, or shake my head.
Rudy saying, well, seriously, how ridiculous. What year are we in now? Still in the 50s? Come on, El Paso. They're finally having something different here, and people are getting mad.
I think you channeled Rudy. You sounded like him. Deidre finally saying, probably okay. And Adriana saying, there are grown tax-paying adults, and they want to have their adult fun. Isaac
saying they should just stay home with their blinds closed to protect their precious children from seeing anything that might ever offend them.
Oh, we've got to watch that movie. It's really good. But I can see both sides of it. It is a little risque, I will admit.
I mean, I have a son, so if I was walking by, I would just close his eyes and say, don't move.
And yeah.
And then we just walk, let's go get some ice cream.
Earmuffs, blindfold, that kind of thing.
Exactly.
Let's do the time warp again. If you know the movie, we'll be right back. It's an inside joke there. You got to watch that movie.